Megan, guess what? God's gonna do what he says he's gonna do. I love you. And I got a little song about it. Megan is my wife. She loves me so much. I pray I can love her as much as she loves me. She's a good woman, always thinking about me. I want to think about her as much and more than me. You see, I love you, Megan, even though I'm such a knucklehead. I love you, Megan, uh, even though it's not enough said. I love you, Megan. Just know it in your heart. I love you. I love you. As God works on me, He makes me the man you want me to be. Be patient and know that He's able to do what He said He would do. Remember His promises and know that they will come true. Megan, I love you. How about a little more? I love you, Megan. I love you, Megan. I love you, Megan. Wow. Oh, those were some really big lips. Yeah, I love you.